for those of us who follow but do not have a proper understanding of what exactly the speaker said, the speaker admitted that his office had been served a certain decision. He moved on. In fact, he didn't say anything like, this decision is binding on me, so I'm not doing anything contrary to it. He didn't say anything like that. He then proceeded to talk about the reactions surrounding what's supposed to happen in the house yesterday. Then he moved the conversation into consultations he's done and the decision he's come to after raising all the quorum and the other issues. What in a snapshot does it really mean to your work in Parliament? A speaker saying that those 4 members of Parliament are still members of Parliament. Has he made any such decision? Yes.
Speaker,
Honorable Ayariga, yes.
Speaker has not said that he has changed his position from what it was on Thursday. So I don't even know the basis on which you are questioning what the position of the Speaker is. The Speaker communicated his position on Thursday very, very clearly. On Tuesday yesterday, he did not say that what I did on Thursday is now I'm done. So I don't even know the basis on which you are questioning what is the position of the Speaker now. If he has a new position, he will tell all of us. So until he tells you that he has a new position, you are to act on the prevailing position, which is that he has declared 4 seats vacant. He has not come back to the chamber to say, I hereby revoke my earlier communication to you that these 4 seats are vacant. So it's a very simple matter that the 4 seats remain vacant until he says otherwise.
Let me get this point clarified from you. When he started speaking, he admitted receipt of that decision from the Supreme Court. And I'm sure you agree that the decision of the Supreme Court is to stay the Speaker's declaration of those seats vacant. So by admitting it, is he not saying that it is coming to effect and that those seats are no longer declared vacant?
You see, we are adopting a very, very simplistic approach to the situation. The court is directing the Speaker to stay, but the Speaker has not said that he will stay. In fact, the Speaker may disagree with the court. He may keep doing what he is doing and go to the court to tell them, I disagree with you. Review your decision because I will not comply with your decision because it is wrong. And if you insist, I would go through the legal processes also, seek a review of your decision. So it's a long drawn process. But until he accepts and communicates to the House that he has accepted and will stay, the position that remains is that those 4 seats are vacant. And that is how we will act. We will act based on express communication from the Speaker, not implying things. No, we will not imply anything. We will act on the basis of express communication coming from the Speaker. And then we will follow. Whatever it is, we will follow. Just as yesterday he adjourned the House, we didn't insist that we must sit there. So we all got up and dispersed. Because under the Constitution, he is the one given the power to preside. He is the one who tells us what to do and what not to do. Not the court. The court communicates to him. If he accepts it, then he communicates to us. If he doesn't accept it, yesterday he didn't even go into the details of what the court told him, if you recall.
Yes.
He only said, I have received some processes from the court. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So he was so careful that he didn't even tell us the content of the processes so that the content of the processes will become part of the record of the House. No, he didn't. He only said, I've received some processes. So they remain processes so far as we MPs are concerned.